Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to show the cursor pointer location when pressing CTRL, finding your mouse pointer Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to show the cursor point location when pressing CTRL, finding your mouse pointer Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First click on start. After scroll down, click on Windows System. After click on Control Panel, that is. After click on mouse. After click on pointer option, and here click show location of pointer when I press the CTRL key. So check this box. Click on apply, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.